just thought it's nice to be outside. I haven't been outside in the rain in a while. But it's such a nice life to have. I just want to encourage you. Be blessed. I keep flexing in the rain. If you can see, but just be blessed and enjoy life. And it's just so nice out here. And so I just want to encourage you. Life is good, and that's one other cool thing about shirtless endurance too. Is also in the rain. Maybe I'll do another video about that real quick. But you know, I just want to. Well, maybe I'll do it right now. But no, not right now. But anyways, I love you. Rejoice, be blessed in the name of Jesus, and live will be like how this garden will look like. If it looks like I make progress, let me know. Otherwise, tell me it doesn't. Let's see. Got to get closer. Right, yeah. See if it looks right. Stuff like that. I guess the thing is, but anyways, rejoice. Like, comment, subscribe. You're cool.